Hey guys, able to see my screen?
Yeah, Anusha.
Yeah,
Yeah, okay, cool. So let's start with writing some scripts to open the browser and open the URL. Okay?
Okay.
Yeah. So, right. First, we will download Java and JRE and JDK and install. Then we have got our Eclipse, extracted it and ready. Okay. And we are running our Eclipse with the help of the eclipse.exe. Okay, and now we are able to run the um, Eclipse. After being able to run the Eclipse, okay, we have to go here seleniumhq.org/downloads and get this Java download. Okay, but this is for 3.4, but we will work for selenium 2, will not work for selenium 3. Okay, so in selenium 2 we'll take the maximum 2.53. Okay, and then we'll download selenium java 2.53.1.zip, and we will download the standalone jar. Two things to download, this and this, the same version. If you're going by 253.0, go by 253.0 here also, or else if 253.1, go by 253.1 here also. Okay, for 27 minutes. So once you download it, after downloading, just extract the zip folder, okay, and keep it somewhere convenient. That's not, it's a very small file, doesn't take much time. Keep it. Okay, now that we have these two downloaded. Okay, so now I'll take this and I'll extract using WinZip or tarzip or something else for Mac. And yeah, once I have extracted, I can see that there are some libs inside it, inside the folder, and then these two stuff. Okay, in this folder, and then we have this jar file. After this, we'll go to our Eclipse, find new project, Java project, next, Selenium practice, create sources. This is all fine. Finish. Okay. So once this is ready, we will go to build path, add libraries. Oh, sorry. Path, configure build path, and then in this libraries, add external jars. Okay, and downloads Selenium 23. These two things, and then add libs and all this, and then add downloads, saying okay, apply and say okay. Okay, so once we have those, here in the reference libraries you can see all those what you have added, the selenium, all the stuff you have added right in the reference libraries, you can notice them. Right. So we created a project and then we got all the external jars into the libraries. Okay, now in the reference libraries we also got our first libraries got added. Okay, now new package, test, some test package I'm creating, new class, some test class I'm creating. Okay, and shit. Class test one. Array. Yeah. Now that we have this ready, fine. After creating it, we have this public static void main. In that, we have to do something like this. But because we want to, um, yeah, web driver, Firefox driver. Okay, it is showing some error. When I click on it, it says unable to resolve. My Eclipse got stuck. So the solution it has given is import WebDriver. So just import it and then it will be fine. Again one more error and the solution is import Firefox driver. Right? Even if you look here, the Firefox driver and WebDriver were imported. Right? Then on driver. So let's run this and see what happens. I'm just running it. There is a run button here. Okay. When I run it, it has opened the Firefox browser. Okay. Once you have opened the Firefox browser, I have two Firefox versions. So I have to check which Firefox I'm using. So Mozilla Firefox. This is Firefox.exe. Okay. This is opening the version number 53. 53 is not going to work. Okay. So where do I have the other one? Mozilla Firefox. This is also 53. That's crazy. This is 43. Yeah, I have 43, but I have to check where it is located. Open file location. Just let me check where it is located. Okay, so because I have my Firefox installed somewhere else, I have to give something called binary. Okay. Okay. Now I have to figure out where this is installed. Driver path. No, this is not the generic. Where is this? Firefox. Here it is. Then now it should open this one, the first Firefox. Oh. There were some import errors. So if you look at it, now the first one has opened. And if I check it out, it's 43. Okay. So this is how I open my Firefox driver. If it is located somewhere else, or I have I have 3 Firefox installations on my machine. Okay. So if you don't have any installations, okay, you simply say like this, like line number 18. Okay, you just simply say like this if you don't have multiple versions or no complications. Because I have multiple versions, I had to do like this. Okay, I just commented for your reference. Then now I want to open the website. Um, okay, driver get, and my website is www.google.com. I'll run it. Okay. Oh, hold on. It will open and immediately. This is for closing my browser. It will immediately close it. So what I will do is thread.sleep for some 10 seconds. And I have to import something. Okay. I have to add this throws declaration because it might give some exception, and in order to handle that exception, when we have seen the exceptions in Java, we had seen this throws keyword and then throw keyword. Okay, now I'll run it. Okay, I have opened the browser. Okay, some error seen. Oh, driver version. Okay, it was running. It was running fine.
ಇದೇಂటి ಸೆಂಟ್ರಲ್ವಾ ప్యాంట్ తీసేయండి బట్టల ఆప్షన్
So when I look at this error, it talks something about the profile. Okay, so that means this profile is causing an issue. So I'm checking how to open Firefox with profile. See users app data, roaming Mozilla Firefox profile. So similarly I can do this name. Okay. Okay. Oof, oof. This is also a issue we usually do. HTTP is mandatory. Without HTTP it says that the URL is invalid. This is not working. It worked, right? So it wasn't the issue with the profile. It was picking the profile, but the website name I gave was wrong. Okay. And running it again, let's see. Okay. Now the Google website has launched and the driver.quit function has run. Okay, so this is how we open it. Again, driver out. Manage dot window dot maximize. This is to we usually do this, right? Maximize, minimize of the window. You'll see what happens. So without that, the window was coming only 3/4 of my screen. So with that, it will come full screen now. It has come, now it is maximized. Now it is getting me the website. It's waiting for some time, it's closing. Okay. So 10 is like sleep in milliseconds. It's not seconds. So 1000 will be 1 second. If I want to wait for 10 seconds, I have to give 10,000. It's running it again, maximized. It has opened. Now it will wait for 10 seconds. And now it has quit. Okay, so this is how you open a Firefox driver. Simple. This one and few other lines to open the Firefox browser. Now, what if you want to open a Chrome browser? Okay, if you want to open a Chrome browser, so it's better to always search with Selenium Java. Okay, because few results from Selenium, Python, JavaScript and other languages will start coming. So from the Selenium HQ downloads, the previous release 253, then I have to download the, there is a Chrome driver. Okay, yeah, I have to download this Chrome driver. So the Windows version is this one. After downloading, now where on this? Are you kidding me? Yeah, it's right. This is the Chrome driver. Yeah, this is the folder, 23rd June 17 today, yes. And this is the driver. Okay. So he asked us to download the Chrome driver. This is the folder and then we extract it. Now I will do this. Here. Okay, so what is the path of Chrome driver? This is the path of Chrome driver. Okay. No, this is not required to us. And yeah. Now that we have done the set property, we will do new Chrome driver instead of new Firefox driver, right? If I import, the Chrome driver got imported. Control Shift O to organize imports, and the Firefox driver is gone because I'm not using it anymore. All the extra, okay, this is what was there earlier. There is some error showing up, so I said Control Shift O. The extra drivers are gone and only Chrome driver is remaining. Now if I run this, let's see what happens. The Chrome driver open, maximized, google.com, it's waiting for 10 seconds and it will close. So the same with IE as well, Internet Explorer or any other browser. Okay, so you will expand here. We have tried downloading Chrome from here. So from the previous releases, if you look here, there are IE drivers. So we have to download IE drivers from here, okay, and extract them. Then set its path instead of webdriver.chrome.driver, we'll do webdriver.ie.driver, and then the path of the IE driver wherever we have downloaded, and here new IE driver, and the rest of the things will be the same. Okay, so is it understandable?
Yeah.
Yeah,
But
so
why did you pick the location here, Anusha? Because there is just one Chrome version in
yeah,
your.
so only Firefox, the Selenium can interact only with Firefox, the installed versions of Firefox. It cannot interact with the installed versions of IE or Chrome.
Okay.
Okay, so we download some external driver to help it interact with the Chrome or IE which is present on your machine.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so that is the driver which we have downloaded here. So if I
Okay.
try to open this, nothing will happen.
Okay.
Okay, but it actually helps it interact with the browser on my machine.
Mm-hmm.
So I have to provide it the driver's path.
Okay. So for Firefox, we need not provide the path when if it's just one version of Firefox.
Yes, we don't have to provide if it is only one. And
Okay.
if you have multiple installations, we have to provide which path it
Right.
is.
Oh, okay.
Okay. So if you uh, want to practice this, right, opening the
Yeah.
Firefox, it takes some hands-on. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
I don't remember any of this. I was doing some everything from Google, as you know. You have seen
Yeah.
it, right? I can never mug it up. Okay,
Mm.
because things keep changing, keep changing, keep changing. So, but I know that I have to open and provide the path. I know the
Yeah.
logic, right?
Mm-hmm.
So I searched directly like Selenium Firefox binary.
Yeah.
ఎవరితో యామిని వాళ్ళ స్టార్ట్ అయిందా 9 అయితే టైం అయిపోతుందా సరే ఛార్జింగ్ కేబుల్స్
Yeah, so I knew that I have to get the Firefox binary path. So I searched for Selenium Firefox binary. It's just that you have to know what you have to do. Okay, and Google
Okay.
will give you the solution. So if you want to open Firefox or Chrome, Selenium Java, open Chrome browser or open Chrome driver, and you can easily get the instructions like this. Okay, and yeah, this is the website which you can use for referring. Okay, I just posted it.
Okay.
There's a website you can refer for Selenium. Okay, these are the theoretical tutorials we have. Gives you a very clear picture as you can see here. So WebDriver, Firefox, URL, and then driver.get URL, window maximize. Okay, till maximize we have seen. Okay, the remaining part which is like entering the password, entering the username and verification, that and all we have not done. We have just
Okay.
opened the URL, maximized the window and then done a driver.quit to close it. Okay, so we have two functions, driver.close and driver.quit.
Okay.
Driver.close will only close the pop-ups or one single window. Driver.quit will close everything. Even if you have like 10-15 windows opened because of pop-ups and stuff, all of them will be closed. Okay,
Okay.
that is the difference. Yeah, so keep practicing this. We worked on tutorial 9 and 10 today. Okay,
Okay.
IDE and all will be there in the previous tutorials like 1 to 8. Those we have discussed yesterday. So if you can go through that, you will get a good idea of what is what, right?
Okay.
Yeah. Okay then. Shall we catch up? We'll catch up on Tuesday.
Yeah.
Right.